Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Straight Tech here, and today we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the Sony a6100 that I purchased last week. I'm very excited just because I've been stalling for months. I'm buying a camera. I was very indecisive on which one I wanted to get, and finally I ended up going with this camera, which I love so far. I've been using it for a few days now, and I'm not a camera fanatic. I don't know everything about cameras. I don't know the whole process of it, but I'm excited to learn about it. I'm excited to learn everything that you could do with a camera when it comes to videography or just taking pictures. So yeah, just give me some time on picking up on learning new things on this camera. This is my first time actually recording off a camera. So right now, as you can see, I'm recording off the a6100. So hopefully it looks a little bit better and it sounds a little bit better than my previous videos that I was recording off a iPhone SE, or I was recording off my mom's iPhone 10R. So that's one of the reasons why I ended up buying a camera, just because most of the time when I wanted to talk about my phone, it was hard because which phone would I record off of if I want to talk about my own phone. So what I would have to do is I would have to borrow my mom's phone whenever she wasn't using it, or when she wasn't working, or when she wasn't busy. I would borrow it and I would use it for about 30 to 40 minutes. And that's one of the things, I didn't want to feel like I'm holding onto her phone all day. I know she does need it, so I wouldn't really keep the phone for that long. So that's one of the things I didn't like about it. So now I could just focus on making my videos a little bit better. Hopefully they sound better, and I can have all the time in the world now. Now if I mess up, I could just delete it and record it all over again, and it'll be a good time. So let's jump into the video. Alright, so this is a Sony a6100. This is my first ever camera that I purchased. Actually, I take that back. A few years ago, me and my wife bought I think it was a Canon camera, but we ended up returning it because we didn't know how to use it, and I wasn't really interested into cameras back then, so I was just return it back to Best Buy. So that's what we did, and so now 3 years has passed, and my interest has changed, and so I ended up going with this one because I wanted a camera that's, obviously this isn't the best out there, but I don't think it's the worst either. So I just wanted something that would last me a few years, so I wouldn't have to buy another one. So I'm gonna open this up really fast and show you guys what comes in it. So a bunch of paperwork, put that on the side. Comes with the manual book here. I'll figure that out on my own though. Okay, let's see. Alright, comes with the, I think this is to charge the camera, a power brick. Comes with a little strap. Comes with micro USB. That's not the only thing that's probably not that great in 2020. USB Type-C will be the better way to go, but that's fine with me. So like I said, I don't know much about cameras, but I'm gonna learn a lot more as I continue using it. So the battery is right here. And I don't think nothing else is in the box. So this is the camera right here. It's pretty heavy actually. I thought it was gonna be lighter. Looks pretty nice. Looks like it comes with like a little lens cover. So yeah, it does. It's pretty nice. I actually have a mic for this camera already. You put it right here on top, on the cold shoe. So I'm probably gonna have to buy a cold shoe slider, because once I start recording myself, and my mic will be on the way right here, so I'm gonna have to buy a cold shoe slider, so I could adjust my mic to the left side right here, and I could see myself right here on the little display. So I'm gonna have to purchase that probably on Amazon. But so far it feels pretty nice in the hands. So like I said, this is my first camera that I'm actually gonna be using. So there's a lot for me that I gotta learn. A lot of things that I gotta catch up on it. Alright, so that was just a quick unboxing for you guys, just to let you guys know what comes in a box and how the packaging looks like and everything that comes in it, like I said. So like I was saying, I've been stalling for a few months, and I was very undecisive of which camera I really wanted. It was between a Sony camera, a Canon camera, and a Fujifilm camera. And from the videos that I've seen and the reviews that I've read, they're all pretty good at the end of the day. especially for a starter like me. Like I said, I don't know everything about cameras, but from what I read, it seems like any of those three cameras will fit perfectly. But I ended up going with the Sony one just because I know that they have the best autofocus out of any camera. So that's one of the reasons why I chose the Sony a6100. And like I said, I'm very excited to test this camera out day by day. And I know I'm going to be, continue learning about this camera and what it could do, and hopefully I can make my thumbnails a lot better, just because now I can take better photos of whatever I'm going to be talking about throughout my videos. So yeah, this one was just a quick video on the unboxing and me talking about why I chose this camera. So make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell for any time I drop a video. You guys will be the first ones to know. So make sure you guys take care of yourselves out there, be safe, and I'll see you guys next time.